Hello friends, in the last lecture we have studied factorization method to get the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay. Now today we are going to use formula method to get the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now see, this is the formula: x equal to minus b plus minus in the root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This formula we are going to use to solve the quadratic equation. Okay. See here, there are two roots. So out of the two roots, any one can be represented by alpha and the other by beta. See, we can write alpha equal to here minus. We can take minus first, and then beta equal to plus. Same formula. Once we write minus, and then second time we write plus. Okay, minus b minus in the root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Beta equal to minus b plus in the root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, like this we are going to find the two roots of the given equation. Now see, before we start the practice set 2.4, we will consider some solved example. Now this is the first solved example of your textbook. M square minus 14m plus 13 equal to 0. Okay. First what we have to do? First we have to compare this given equation with the standard form. This is the given equation and this is the standard form of quadratic equation. See, after comparing, we get a equal to 1. Here we get a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 14. Okay. And c equal to 30. C equal to 30. So, after getting these values, a, b, c, use this formula. Okay. Minus b plus minus in the root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. See, here you can directly solve this example by using this formula and here substituting the values of ABC. But first we find this term for what? Our convenience. It becomes easy to solve the given equation. Therefore, we find this term b square minus 4ac separately. Okay. See, let us start. B square minus 4ac. How to find this term? Substitute the value of ABC. What is the value of b? Minus 14. So b square equal to a minus 14 square. Minus 4 into AC. Value of a 1 and the value of c 13. Okay. After calculation, here we get 144. Okay. Now see the formula. M equal to this formula. Now substitute again the value of ABC minus value of b minus 14. This minus sign is in the formula. Therefore minus 14 plus minus the value of this term. See, just we calculate here 144. Okay, upon 2a, that means upon 2 into 1. See, minus minus plus 14 plus minus 12 upon 2. Here now we get two roots. We can write now m equal to 14 plus 12 upon 2 or m equal to 14 minus 12 upon 2. So 26 upon 2 and 2 upon 2. Therefore, m equal to 13 or m equal to 1. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now, see the second solved example of your textbook. X square plus 10x plus 2 equal to 0. See, first step is which? First, we have to compare given equation with the standard form of quadratic equation. Okay. After comparing, we get a equal to 1. See, this is a, b and c. B equal to 10 and c equal to 2. First we calculate this term. Okay, b square minus 4ac. After substituting the value of a, b, c, c. B square, that means 10 square minus 4 into value of a is 1, value of c is 2. After calculating here we get 92. Now see, this is the formula. This is the formula to get the value of x. Okay. See, here we use variable x because this variable is given in the equation. Now x equal to minus b plus minus in the root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So here we are going to substitute value of b minus 10 plus minus, and the value of this term is 92, root 92 upon 2 into 1. So minus 10 plus minus, we factorize this term 92, 4 into 23. Okay. In the first example, we get directly root of 144 12. Okay, here we can't find the root of 92, so we factorize 4 into 23. Now root of 4 is 2. Root of 4 is 2. Minus 10 plus minus 2 in the root 23. Now take here 2 common. In the numerator we take 2 common. In the bracket remains minus 5 plus minus root 23 upon 2. Now we split the two roots. Okay, first we take plus and second minus. Here 2 cancel. X equal to minus 5 plus minus root 23. Now see, x equal to minus 5 plus root 23 or x equal to minus 5 minus root 23. These are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay. Now let us solve practice set 2.4. Okay. Now see the question number 1. This is the question. Compare the given quadratic equations to the general form and write the values of ABC. That means we have to find the values of ABC. Okay. These are the three quadratic equations. First, second, and third. First, we have to compare this given quadratic equation with the standard form. See, this is the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now see, this is the value of a, b, and c. After comparing given quadratic equation with the standard form or general form of quadratic equation, we get here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 7, and c equal to 5. Okay. Now in the second example, see, first we have to write this is the quadratic equation. Okay. First we have to write this given equation in the general form. See, what is the general form? 2m square minus 5m plus 5 equal to 0. Now this is the general form. Now compare this equation with the standard form. After comparing this given equation with the standard form, we get, see, this is A, B, and C. That means here we get A equal to how much? 2. B equal to minus 5. And C equal to plus 5. Okay. This is the third example. This is also quadratic equation, but not in general form. So first we convert this quadratic equation in the standard form or general form. So y square minus 7y plus 0 equal to 0. Okay. Now after comparing this equation with the standard form, we get a equal to 1, b equal to, this is our b, and c. B equal to minus 7 and c equal to 0. Okay. Understood? Now see the question number. Now see the question number 2. In the question number 2, we have to solve given equation by formula method. Okay. Now see, first step. What is our first step? First we have to compare this given equation with the standard form. Okay. After comparing, we get a equal to 1, b equal to 6, okay, and c equal to 5. Okay, next step, we find b square minus 4ac. Okay, how to find this term? substituting the values of a, b, c in the b square minus 4ac. Okay, see b square, that means 6 square minus 4 into value of a is 1, value of c is 5. 6 square 36 minus 4 5 are 20. 36 minus 20 is 60. Therefore, the value of b square minus 4ac is 16. Okay. Now we are going to use the formula. X equal to minus b plus minus in the root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. See, minus b, that means minus value of b is here. How much? 6. Therefore, minus 6 plus minus in the root value of this term, just we have calculated 16. Okay. Upon 2 into value of a is 1. Therefore, x equal to minus 6 plus minus root of 16 is 4 upon 2. Okay. Now here we are going to separate the two roots. Therefore, x equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, or x equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Okay. Therefore, x equal to minus 2 upon 2, or x equal to minus 10 upon 2. Therefore, x equal to is to be cancelled minus 1, or x equal to minus 5. Again, write the answer. Minus 1 and minus 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay. Now see the fourth example of practice 2.4. Okay. Our first step is comparison. Okay. First, we have to compare this given equation with the general form. After comparing, here we get a equal to 5, b equal to minus 4, and c equal to minus 2. Okay. After that, second step, we find b square minus 4ac. Okay. How we calculate this term? Substituting the value of a, b, c. See, b square means minus 4 square minus 4, value of a is 5, value of c is minus 2. Okay. Minus 4 square 16, here minus into minus plus 4 5 are 20 and 22 are 40. Okay. 40 plus 16 56. Next, third step, we are going to use formula. Therefore, m equal to minus b plus minus in the root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Here we write m because this m variable is given in the given example. Okay. Now value of b is minus 4. So minus minus 4 plus minus in the root. Value of this term is 56 upon 2 into value of a is 5. Therefore, m equal to minus minus plus 4 plus minus root 56 upon 5 to the 10. Therefore, m equal to, now see here, we can't find directly root of 56. So, here we factorize 56. 4 plus 56. What are the factors? Suppose we factorize 56 in such a way that we can find the root of one of the factors. Okay. 14 4 the 14 4 the 56 upon 10. Therefore, m equal to 4 plus minus root of 4 is 2 in the bracket 14 upon 10. Therefore, m equal to, now in the numerator we take common 2. After taking common 2, in the bracket remains 2 plus minus root 14 10. See, yes, after simplifying, 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 5s are 10. Therefore, m equal to 2 plus minus 14 upon 5. Now here we are going to separate two roots. We are going to write separate two roots. 2 plus 14 root 14 upon 5, or m equal to 2 minus 14 upon 5. Okay, these are the two given. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, understood? Now you have to solve the remaining examples.